Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert Austin sidebar text box in Microsoft Word 2016. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Word document. Now we want to insert Austin sidebar text box in this document. Go to the Insert menu. Then find the text box option and click the text box. Then find the Austin sidebar. Then insert it. Now we can see we insert the Austin sidebar text box very easily. You can move this text box. Click the text box and go to the Format menu. Then click Wrap Text option and choose the in front of text. You can write anything on this text box. Otherwise, you can change the color or everything. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.